Hey guys, want to give a little market update. Inventory is increasing a little bit, but we're still seeing borrowers have to pay over appraised value. In your lower price ranges, it's ranging anywhere between 5 and 15,000. Sometimes I'm seeing 20, 30, but that's getting into craziness in maybe a highly desirable area. But borrowers are having to pay 5 to 10 to $15,000 over purchase price. Why do I feel like I have more knowledge on this than most? Because we close around 70 transactions a month. What does that mean? I'm reading 70 contracts per month. That is what it takes to know what's going on in the market, guys. I get to have a bigger sample. Your typical loan officer is usually seeing 3 or 4 a month, if that. Okay, so I see a lot more of the market. That's where we are. Buyers are still having to do that. Now, for buyers out there, you need to remember this is a hard pill to swallow, but it's an easy pill to swallow when you really, really think about it. If you buy a house now, in a year from now, a $300,000 house is going to be worth $360,000. That means you have 60 grand in equity if they go up by 20%. They went up almost 23% last year, and people were saying it was 15%. Supply versus demand, I promise you, deal with it. It will suck buying a little bit, but it's going to pay off for you and your family and your generational wealth you're going to create. This is the fastest growing investment you can have right now. Why is this a good idea? There are major hedge funds out there that are coming into the valley and other states and buying properties in bulk with cash. Those people probably think on a much higher level than you and I both. Why would they do that if they thought it was a risk? They wouldn't, okay? So the market is great for you as a buyer if you really just get over the mindset that this is a bad thing, having to pay out of pocket over appraised value. It's not, okay? Secondly, rates are excellent. They are down right now. We are in the 2s or 3s, depending on what your loan is. And your down payment assistance are in the 3s, low 4s. They're fantastic, guys. It's a great time to take advantage of this, okay? So there are some positives. Yes, sellers get the choice of who they buy, who's gonna buy their homes right now. And if you're not offering over appraised value, then the seller's gonna go, well, we have 20 other people that are willing to, okay? So rates are great. Purchases are down a little bit right now, but that's due to some of the inventory, and about 25% of the buyers are cash buyers right now. So you don't get to see applications on those. So purchases might be a little bit higher, and I'm talking about purchase applications. So things are good. It's still a great time to buy, and we're coming out of this fear that the news is trying to pump out. They're still trying to come back with us with some of the other stuff like the Delta variants and stuff like that now. But guys, we just gotta live. We gotta start LIVIN and moving forward at this point in time. That's where the market is.